Turn to page 21 in your packets. Today we're going to do multiplying polynomials. We're going to look at example number 1 first. So what we're going to do first is we're going to take the two binomials and we're going to multiply them together. So we're going to take the first parenthesis and we're going to split it up into 3x parenthesis minus 1, and we're going to stick the 3x minus x in both parentheses. Now we're going to distribute the 3x to the first parenthesis, so we're going to get 9x minus 3x squared, and in the second one we're going to distribute the negative 1, we're going to get negative 3, and we're going to get plus x. We look and see if there's any like terms here, which we have a 9x and an x, which gives us 10x. We now can bring down the other two terms because they're not like terms, and we're going to put it in standard form. Now that we have negative 3x squared plus 10x minus 3, that takes care of the first two binomials, and we're going to add it to the 4x squared plus 19. So all we're going to do is look to combine like terms here. So we look at our x squared, we have an x squared, we have an x squared. So negative 3 plus 4 gives us positive 1x squared. So now let's look for x terms. We've got a 10x. We've got nothing to combine with it, so we're just going to bring it down. And the last term we're going to look at is our numbers. So we got a negative 3 and a positive 19, which gives us positive 16. And that's the answer to number 1. You can also write this without the 1 in front of the x squared term as just x squared plus 10x plus 16. Okay, so let's look at number 2. We have a binomial times a trinomial. So we're going to take the binomial and we're going to split it up. So we're going to put down a 4a parenthesis plus 2 parenthesis, and in that parentheses we are going to put our trinomial 6a squared minus a plus 2, and we're going to put it in the other one too, 6a squared minus a plus 2. And now we're going to do each piece separately. So we're first going to take the 4a, distribute it into the trinomial. So 4a times 6a squared, we get 24a to the third. Remember, you add your exponents. And then we have 4a times negative a gives us negative 4a squared. And then 4a times 2 gives us positive 8a. We're going to do the second one. We've got 2 into this whole parenthesis, so we have plus 12a squared minus 2a plus 4. Now all that's left to do is to combine like terms. So let's look for any a cubes. So I've only got one a cubed, so we just bring it down. Cross it out as we use it. Let's see, we've got an a squared, another a squared, so negative 4 plus 12 gives us positive 8a squared. And then let's look for our a terms. We have an a term there, an a term there, so that gives us 8 minus